Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Again, my Mattis t-shirt, which when I wear it, I think it does something special. Anyway guys, we're gonna do another thing special. We're gonna use a lot of silicone mixed with our acrylic, and we're gonna put a little bit of Floetrol. For those living in Europe, you can use Easy Acrylic. It's the same thing, only a different name and a different company. So anyway, it does the same thing. It's a kind of a medium. So like I said, instead of going drop by drop of silicone, we're going to use, I would say, about a fifth of the quantity of silicone against a 3/4 of not 3/4, but you know what I mean, 4/5 or acrylic. So I think it's going to be something strange. I don't think we never tried it. I'm going to do a background. I'm going to do a blue background, just in case, like it often happens when we use silicone, that the acrylic doesn't stick everywhere on the canvas because of the silicone. So for that matter, for that reason only, we're going to use a background. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but anyway, it's going to be there. So if something happens, doesn't matter, we're going to have a nice background. So let's go and try it and we'll see what happens. Let's come back to the end and talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I think it's nice. I think I'm a bit surprised of what happened. As you saw, I did burn it a little bit because I want to get out those air bubble, and I wanted to make more cells. Well, of course, like you saw, we have thousands and thousands of cells. So if you don't like cells, forget about it. Like you know, probably, I don't like cells that much. So for me, it's kind of a stretch to like it, but I don't hate it. It's not my thing, but I'm very, very surprised. Well, up to now, because as you know, I just finished it. So I don't know what's going to happen once it's dry. But usually when we do a painting with a lot of silicone, the acrylic comes apart so that we can see the canvas underneath. And this time, well, it doesn't happen. So I don't know why. Is it because of we let it sit a long time before we did our flip cup? Because as you saw, we did a flip cup and a fluid pouring. I don't know why, but still, I think it's very nice. I think, like I said, you have a lot of cells. I think I would have just put another color, which would have been blue, just to define the lines between the colors. I think it would have been even nicer, but again, it's subjective. It's a question of taste. So anyway, guys, now you see what happens when you put a lot of silicone. So for you to judge if you like it or not, but I have to tell you that for me, it's not necessary. You don't have to use as much silicone, that's for sure. I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it does that much of a difference. So I think, you know what, we did a lot of time without any products. And for me, I think it's the best way. To each his own, like we said, you have to try it. The taste is in the nature, it's subjective, so you like it or not, but I think some people will. So anyway, guys, thanks for being here, and I hope you're gonna come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Bye.